Hi everyone, it's me Asawang Filipina and the weather is good today, sunny day. So for today's driving, I went to the mountain view today and I'm driving going home now. So with a blue nail polish and we're gonna use the local shoe.
Just like me.
And then go to drive, handbrake down, blinker left and drive. Sorry. So I'm driving now with 80 to 100 kilometers. So we're descending now. And the weather was good today. It was fun and it was like an excellent idea to put the camera here facing to the highway because the capture of the speedometer is really clear and yeah, but the problem, oh, I can use the dash camera. Wait, I have to stop a while and I'm gonna use the dash camera because dash camera will off on all the time. And oh my gosh, I forgot I have the Aiken, so I'm gonna check out the Aiken. So I'm gonna use the Aiken. And so far all is good. So blinker, but it's good to know in a way because last time I did not expect that it will work like this. And I know how to uncle now. So before it goes to empty, we're gonna, I also have to check my barefoot. Have to clean the floor and here because there's a lot of them that wants to see me driving with barefoot. So okay, foot brake and drive down, blinker left and let's go. So for now I will do the gas in the city so that we can just drive. So let's push the pedals. So we're driving loafer shoes, barefoot at the same time, high heels at the same time. So there's a lot of products in my channel. So anyway, those who are not joining to my membership, with that you help me do more driving videos. Kind of making deal. So if you want to support more to my channel, there's a PayPal account in the description down below, so you can just donate any amount there just to support my channel. Of course, everyone. And of course, thank you all for watching. Bye. See you later. Not see you later, but see you next vlog. Bye.